What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to regain the ability to toggle real-time protection on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Occasionally, you might find yourself unable to toggle real-time protection in Windows security. This can happen for a couple of reasons, such as system policy restrictions set by software or updates that unintentionally limit access to this feature. Another common cause is corruption in system files or configurations that directly affect Windows Defender settings. To resolve this issue, we will use the Registry editor. Before proceeding, it's crucial to understand that editing the registry can have significant effects on your system. It's recommended to back up the registry before making any changes. First, open the Registry editor by typing regedit in the Start menu and pressing Enter. Once open, navigate to the following path: Computer, HKey Local Machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender, Real-Time Protection. We have also provided this path in the video description for easy access. Remember, the specific registry path will only be accessible if real-time protection is currently unable to be toggled on your PC. If you find you cannot navigate beyond the Windows Defender registry path, it's likely because real-time protection is not being restricted on your system through this registry setting. In that case, simply restart your PC, and any software glitch causing the real-time protection unable to be toggled will be fixed. Upon reaching the correct registry location, look for the file name Disable Real-Time Monitoring. Right-click it and select Delete. If prompted, confirm your decision to delete the file. This action removes the restriction and should allow you to toggle real-time protection once again. After deleting the file, close the Registry editor. Now, navigate back to your Windows Security window. You should find that you're able to toggle real-time protection on and off as needed, ensuring your system remains protected against malware and other threats without hindrance. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.